Each match that is played must be set up as its own match. Before setting up a match, you must have the team set up that will be playing in the match. If you have not done so, please go back and do that now. To set up a match, click on the Match menu and select New. Type in the name of your match. It should be unique and descriptive and less than 30 characters. Then click OK. This brings you to the match setup screen. Here you enter information for the match. Place allows you to put in the name of the site where the match will be played. The date is the date that the match will take place. From the drop-down lists, select the blue team and the white team. Next, you need to set up the parameters for the match, including the length and number of periods, the length of time between periods, and the number of seconds at which to warn about the end of the break. You can also set up the number of timeouts and how long each timeout is, and at what time to warn that the end of the timeout is coming. If you are using a shot clock, make sure that the Enable box is checked and that the clock is set for the correct number of seconds. Set the exclusion clock and the length and warning time for the halftime. If you are running your match in a deep water pool, make sure that the deep water box is checked. This tells the system to use the deep water rules for overtime play. You also need to select the division and the gender for the match. Make sure that you have these set correctly, as you will only be able to see the athletes of that division and gender in the roster when you are running the match. If you click the Save as Default button, it will save these settings so that the next time you create a new match, these settings will appear as the defaults. Now that you have a match set up, you can go ahead and run it.